So you want to install FL Studio 24 on your Windows PC. Here is how. First, open up your preferred web browser, Safari, Chrome, or whichever one you like to use. In the search bar, type Download FL Studio 24 and press Enter. Look at the search results and click on the first link you see. This link should take you directly to the official FL Studio website. I will leave the website link in the description. Once you're on the FL Studio website, click on the Download button on the Windows section, and a dialog box will pop up asking where you'd like to save the installer file. Choose your desired location. Most people save it to the Downloads folder, and click Save. The download will start, and this may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, as the installer file is quite large. While we're waiting for the download to finish, let me give you a quick overview of FL Studio 24. This version comes with enhanced performance, a refreshed interface, and new features that make it easier than ever to create professional quality music. Once the download is complete, go to the location where you saved the installer file. For most users, this will be in the Downloads folder. Look for a file named flstudiowin64.exe. Double-click on the file to run the installer. You may see a pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The FL Studio installer window will appear. Click Next to start the installation process. You'll then be prompted to read the FL Studio license agreement. Make sure to read through it carefully, and if you agree with the terms, select I agree and click Next. On the user information screen, select Install for all users to ensure that FL Studio is available to all accounts on your computer, then click Next. You'll now see a screen where you can choose which components to install. Make sure all the necessary components are selected, including FL Studio and ASIO drivers. ASIO drivers are important for achieving low latency audio, which is crucial for music production. Once you've selected the components, click Next. Next, you'll be asked to choose the installation location. By default, FL Studio will install in the Program Files folder, which is fine for most users. If you're okay with the default location, click Next to continue. Now click Install to begin the installation process. This step might take a few minutes, so sit tight while FL Studio installs all the necessary files. Once the FL Studio 24 installation is complete, a new pop-up will prompt you to set up ASIO for All. ASIO for All is a universal audio driver that improves audio performance and reduces latency, which is essential for a smooth audio experience while using FL Studio. Click Next, read through the ASIO for All license agreement, accept the terms, and then click Next again. Leave the installation location as default and click Install to proceed with the ASIO for All installation. After the ASIO for All installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Now let's open FL Studio to make sure everything is installed correctly. Click on the Start menu, type FL Studio 2024, and press Enter to launch the application. When FL Studio opens for the first time, you may see a window asking you to activate the software. If you've already purchased a license, enter your login details to unlock the full version. If not, you can continue using the trial version to explore the features. And there you have it. FL Studio 24 is now installed on your Windows 11 computer and ready for you to start creating music. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.